Hi friends, I am CL Pawar, teaching physics. Now current electricity. In current electricity, we have seen Kirchhoff's laws, Wheatstone's network, meter bridge, Kelvin's method, post office box, like this. Now in this topic, we have to study the another article, that is potentiometer. Potentiometer is a device used for measurement of EMF, terminal potential difference, and internal resistance of a cell. Here we have to study the principle, which is the principle used in potentiometer. For explanation of this principle, we have to consider a uniform wire AB of length L having resistance R. This wire is connected to a cell of EMF E with internal resistance negligible. We have taken here internal resistance negligible. That means terminal potential between A and B is equal to EMF of a cell. Also, sigma be the resistance per unit length of wire. This wire having resistance of unit length, that is sigma. Therefore, total resistance of the wire R is equal to sigma L. This is equation 1. Now, current is passed through this wire. According to Ohm's law, this current I is equal to E divided by R or V divided by R. Here E and V are same because the internal resistance of a cell is negligible. Therefore, I is equal to V divided by sigma L. This is equation number 2. Now we have to consider P point in between wire AB. The length between A and P is small l. The resistance of this length is sigma L. Now what is potential difference between A and P? That potential difference is given by this Ohm's law, current into resistance. Therefore, potential difference between A and P is equal to V divided by sigma L into sigma L. Sigma get cancelled, remains V divided by L into small l. But V divided by L, this ratio is constant, called potential gradient. And this potential gradient is given by K. Therefore, phi between A and P is equal to K into small l, equation number 3. As K is constant, therefore, potential difference between A and P directly proportional to length between A and P. So this is principle of potentiometer. Now we have to define this principle. So definition is, when steady current flows through the wire, the potential difference between any 2 points of the wire is directly proportional to length between the points. So this is principle of potentiometer. असे हे प्रिन्सिपल पोटेन्शियोमीटरचं. आता हेच प्रिन्सिपल असं आपण एक्सप्लेन करू शकतो. बॅटरी आपण जोडलेली आहे ए आणि बी ला. ए चं पोटेन्शियल हायर आहे, बी चं पोटेन्शियल लोअर आहे. ए कडून बी कडे चाललो आपण, पोटेन्शियल कमी कमी होतं, पोटेन्शियल कमी कमी होतं, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स वाढतो, लेंथ वाढते, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स वाढतो. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स आणि लेंथ यांचा जर रेशो घेतला तर तो कसा राहतो त्या ठिकाणी कॉन्स्टंट. दिस इज द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ पोटेन्शियोमीटर.